If you previously searched for something on your Copilot mobile app, which is an AI tool, all right, I want to see those things you searched for initially. It's simple. First is to get to the app, so I'll use the search here and type Copilot. Okay, as it shows up, I'll tap on it. So once you're here, you will see these three lines at the top right. Tap on it. So you can see after library, you will see some things you searched before. Okay, it starts from the most recent to the older. All right, so if, for example, today I searched about iPhone frequently asked questions. If I tap on that, I'll be taken to the page and I can see what I searched before in the past. If this content helps, consider subscribing, leave a comment and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.